Hello from Gardening at Twensah here in Ireland, and today I have a big job. I have a big plant with hefty roots that needs to be gotten out of the ground. It's a libertia, and the method I'm going to use for getting it out is to use a crowbar. Now I've never done this before, so I'm going to give it a lash, and I suppose the same method can be used for removing a tree stump or whatever. I'm also going to try and do it myself because I'm aware that a lot of gardeners out there are women like me, and we can't always be relying on other people. So let's see how far I get. So the thing you'll need besides forks and spades is a heavy duty crowbar. Now, not one of the wimpy ones that break the minute you put any weight on it. This is a heavy one that I can just about lift. It really is a hefty thing. So we're going to be using that. And here's the offending libertia. Now, libertias are plants that love water, and they often grow beside streams. And what happened last winter is we had a very heavy winter, a very bad winter, so it is not looking the best it can. The other side of it is dead, and this happened with a lot of libertias in our climate last winter. So I'm going to remove it. Also, it's just not earning its keep in the border anymore. Now, I spoke to the National Libertia collection holder, and he recommended using a crowbar, so that's what we're going to try and do. So what you need to do first is to try and dig as much under it as possible, because we've got to get the crowbar under the libertia for it to make any difference. So I've dug around the libertia, and the next thing is to try and get the crowbar under as deep as possible. And there's a pointy end there, so that'll do well. And then to apply force. Or weight. Crowbar. What I'm doing now is going around, sticking the spade in as far as possible and breaking as many roots as possible. You see? It is moving. Okay, no comments from the males watching, please. So I'm putting the fork in there and then sliding spade in on top of it. Did I say slide? Nothing slidey about it. There comes my shoe off. Actually getting somewhere here now, but I think this is the point in time where I need to get some help. Look, it's moving. See? It is actually moving. And wouldn't you think you could just, you know, go around the other side to pull it up? But no, watch this. I'm going to put all my weight into it. This is the one time I'm glad I'm not so thin, but it's not coming up. No. Oh. I think we're getting somewhere. Oh dear. I think it's up. Okay, time to come clean. I have had some help. Now, I reckon I could have done this job myself, but over the course of 3 days, because I wouldn't have the stamina to do it all in one day. So that means leaving it, coming back, digging some more the second day and that. But I'd lose the will to live. So, lady gardeners out there, try and get some help if you possibly can. And steer clear of libertia.